Alright guys, I'll be installing these ODI lock-on grips on the Prairie. These are kind of wore down, starting to come off. What I'm going to do first is I'm going to take this razor blade and cut this end off. Get my screwdriver inside of these grips. Alright, now that I got the end cut off, stick a screwdriver in there. Get the WD-40, stick it in there, and that'll release that glue in there. Just go all the way around. Like so. Once you get further in there, you gotta spray some more WD-40. Or it should just come right off now. There you go. All right, now I'm gonna clean that up. Got some brake clean and some paper towels. I'm just gonna clean that up and scrape some of this extra glue that's on there off before I put these on. All right, got the right side done. Now time for the left. I've already moved my controls over just a little bit because whenever I put my grip on, the inside would lock, but the outside wouldn't. And I want to show you how to install this. As you can see, it has two plastic pegs that go in those inserts. You just snap them on there. Whenever you do so, make sure it's in a way that you can easily tighten up that bolt. And go ahead and snap that outside ring on with the outside ODI logo. So whenever you put it on there, you won't have trouble snapping it on then. So yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and install it this side now. All right, I got them both done, turned out great. I finished tightening this one up. Used 2.5 Allen, and as I was tightening them, I was switching so I wouldn't over tighten one and crack that aluminum right there. They ain't going nowhere. They look good. It's gonna ride way better.